Una, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world when you listen to me from today. My name now William Slurry, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional on a daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Monday 25th November 2024, and our topic today na Prophesy with Wisdom, Part 2. Our memory verse day for Proverbs chapter 10 verse 11. Good person words they give long life, but wicked person words they put am for trouble. We go see our Bible reading for 2 Samuel chapter 12 verse 1 to 15. God sent prophet Nathan go tell David, he gets two men where they stay for the same town. One gets money and the other man dey poor. The rich man gets many cow and sheep, and the poor man gets only one sheep when he buy. He dey care for am and the sheep grow for him house with him children. He dey give am wetin he dey chop. The sheep dey drink water with the man cup, come sit down for the man leg. The sheep be like pikin to am. But one day, the rich man gets visitor for him house. He no wan kill him own animal take cook for the visitor. Instead, he go take the poor man sheep take cook for them. David vex for the rich man well. He can't say, I swear with God's name, the man wey do this kind thing must die. He must pay 4 times for the wicked thing when he do. So Nathan come tell David, now you be the man, and this na wetin the oga wey be Israel people God talk. I make you king for Israel, and I save you from Saul. I give you wives and kingdom. I make you king for Judah and Israel. If they no reach you, I for still give you many other things. Wetin come make you disobey my command? Why you do this kind wicked thing? You kill Uriah for war. You allow Ammon soldiers kill am. Then you can't take him wife. Now for every generation, your children go die anyhow. Because you no obey me, you can't take Uriah wife. I swear say I go make somebody for your family bring trouble can't give you. You go see am when I go collect your wife from you, can't give am to another man, and you go sleep with them for public. You sin for secret, but I go make this thing happen for public, make all Israel people see am. So David can't say, I don't sin against God. Now Nathan answer, God don't forgive you, so you no go die, but because you show God say you dey sorry for wetin you do, your pikin go die. Then Nathan can't go in house. God can't make the pikin wey Uriah wife born for David sick well. Now the message. Today, I go complete the message when I start yesterday, wey be to prophesy with wisdom. For our Bible reading today, God sent Nathan make he announce King David punishment. As he be say he be wise prophet, Nathan know say the way he go take deliver this kind message go determine whether he go comot for the palace alive that day or not. So he starts the message with parable. When the king by himself don't pronounce judgment due to the parable, na so Nathan come talk say, the person wey I dey talk about for this parable na you, sir. He get powerful message for you to learn here o. When God send message through you give somebody, you need to dey careful about the way you take deliver the message. If God tell you something about person, no rush go tell the person o. Ask God make he give you wisdom to take deliver the message the right way, so that no one go dey for trouble because of the prophecy. Over time, I don't learn to do this kind thing o. Now the reason why I dey always give prophecy in form of parable. If God tell me something and I need to share am with the public, if I know say the thing go dey tough for some people to swallow, I go talk am in form of parable. This way, I don't pass God message with wisdom. I don't also see people who use gifts of prophecy take destroy some families. If God tell you something about somebody and he say make you tell the person, after you don't ask God for wisdom on how to take pass the message, you go also need to advise the person how he or she go take use the information wey you give am o. This na because that person fit no get the kind wisdom and understanding wey you get. If the person no get understanding or you no dey mature enough to handle the message the right way, devil fit take advantage of the situation, come push the person to do some kind things wey go cause more trouble pass good o. If you know say the person no go use the prophecy the right way, and God no tell you make you reveal the message, you fit just decide to approach the person with general advice and guidance concerning the issue. This way, you don help the person without causing any trouble. My brethren, the gift of prophecy na to make the saints dey perfect, no be to confuse them or to put them for trouble o. Na for Ephesians chapter 4 verse 11 to 12 we go see this one. Use the gift of prophecy with wisdom. The main point for this message be say, deliver prophecy with wisdom o. I thank una as una lis ten to the open heavens on the go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.